Well, it appears this morning, on this Monday, first day of October, that the birds that nest in the bulrushes down here, they have returned to their original area, which is right here in the front. They had moved across the way to this area, across the waterway, after they had gotten flooded out. And it appears that they have returned to the original area. And boy, they are having a very noisy breakfast time. Good morning. Yes, they are. I don't know if you can see their activity. You can see several of them right there. Yeah. Trying to follow some of their... Yeah, they are quite... Oh, there goes one. Oh, there we go. So they zoom back out here. Yeah, they are quite the chatterboxes, aren't they? This never gets old on me. It never does. Because every morning it's different. You see there. Yeah, they're kind of moving about. Sometimes they move from here and then they go across the way over there. Yeah, it's really quite fascinating. But boy, are they a happy bunch, aren't they? I'm just waiting for the lift-off now, because I know it's probably coming soon. I got out here a little later than I usually do. So it's just a matter of moments before they start leaving this initial nesting area to head down to other parts. Oh, you can see some birds off. I don't know if you can see them off in the distance there. Yeah. And there's a few, what do you call it? Dragonflies around here too that I've seen. Flying overhead. Yeah, you can see, I don't know if you can see, oh, there we go. Some activity in the bulrush there. Yeah, they're all kind of moving around and talking to each other. Yes, this is quite an active time for them in the morning. And for some reason, I just love capturing all of this activity because it's just beautiful to me. Oh, some of them just lifted off. No, they keep coming back and going and landing on the other side. It's like kind of funny. This is quite the social time, I think, where they're just talking to each other and moving about and deciding which one is going to go where. You would think it was a party. Doesn't it sound like they're having a party? Oh my goodness. Maybe it's a potluck, you know? They just keep moving from place to place saying, hey, what do you got over here? Yeah. That's the impression I'm getting from all of their activity. Yeah, I can see them all across the way there. Did you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Quite a bit of activity going on here. I'm hoping you can see most of what I'm seeing. I'm assuming you can, because it's really quite an interesting pattern, really. Yeah, I think they're all sitting about. Oh, and here comes some. No, ooh, am I catching it? Oh, there we go. Flying overhead here. Got a little bit of bird play. Not sure if that's the same type of bird that I just caught flying overhead. Kind of hard to tell, but they look very similar if they're not the same. But they're still very, very happy. And oh, there goes a couple of them. Oh, all right. Here we go. Here we go. We're at that point. They're starting to lift off a little bit. There we go. Can you see them? Trying to get just the right distance here for you. Oh, and here goes more. There we go. It's that time again. Yep. On this beautiful Monday morning in October, very overcast, cloudy skies that we have this morning in North Texas. Gorgeous bird flight. Look at all that. Never get enough of this. Wow, there's a whole cloud of them out there. Oh, and here's some more. Here they're all lifting off. Wow, you know, they don't usually lift off in quite this number. I don't know if you've noticed, but in past videos that I've recorded, they often go off in batches. But this morning, look at that. It's like the whole cloud of flight is just amazing. They're all coming off at the same time. Look at this. Wow. How beautiful. Well, thanks for joining me this morning, and you have yourself a marvelous Monday.